So, Namaste Andy. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity for the Vasavi Club. My audio is okay?
Yes. Clear, sir. Your voice is clear.
Okay. Okay.
Very clear.
Then Dr. Srinivas Gupta Andy. I am a homeopathic doctor practicing in Secunderabad more than 25 years. So, at Secunderabad, I am practicing. See, actually, I'm a homeopathic doctor, but I got a passion in all alternative therapies. In my clinic, we have got yoga, nature cure, acupuncture, all alternative therapies we have got in our center. So I got a passion to learn new things, to develop new things. We have developed so many things. Last few years, we developed one pain relaxing lotion. We have developed for so many for skin, so many products we developed. So since 2 months, I was thinking, because of the corona, so many problems are there. There's no vaccine, there's no medicine. I'm trying to do something for the society. What way I can help for the society to help them? So since 1 month back, one of my regular patients who takes a homeopathic medicines, so he developed some slight fever, throat pain, and body pains. Then the doctor suspected it may be the virus. Then they consulted me. I given a medicine. Then the patient told, surprisingly, after 24 hours, doctor, my throat pain has gone, my taste has come back, I am feeling much better. Then with my medicine, the patient relieved the problems. I got some interest. So with my medicine, somebody is feeling much better. So I've done a lot of research. I talked to doctors in Germany, in so many other parts of the world. We ought to do something to help them to improve their immunity. Not only corona, so any virus. It may tomorrow it will come corona, any other viruses also. So I done a lot of R&D to how to improve the body immunity. That is the most important. If our body immunity is improved, will not get corona, will not get any virus, any other problems also will get. So some disturbance are coming. So I want to tell today some precautions how to improve the body immunity. So the most important thing now, the corona. Nowadays in Hyderabad, all over the India, day by day cases. In Hyderabad, other day 1,000. Yesterday it was 2,500. Day by day the cases are increasing. Few days back, I seen one patient. This patient is only 2 years old, 4 years old. They're also getting the corona problem. The mother is negative, daughter is positive. So the daughter is not wearing the mask. She's not able to go. Very much disturbance in the family. So a lot of problems are there, and financial losses are there because of the not affordable for the big hospital. Any hospital now, it is very expensive. So we developed some kit. We developed some kit. It consists all the medicines. Basically, the medicine is not for corona. Basically, it helps to improve the body immunity. Once the body immunity increases, it will not get any virus, will not get any other problems. So I will tell one or two things. Basically, this is the kit I have developed. This is called this name called Super Immunity Kit. Super Immunity Booster Kit. It containing around about 10 to 11 medicines, which helps to improve the immunity of the person. We tried in Hyderabad more than 100 patients. In Dilsukh Nagar, I tried. Hyderabad, I tried. So many patients, the doctors advised to join in a hospital. So I tried. Okay, fine. You try our kit. If you see for 24 hours, if not, you take a decision. So surprisingly, many patients today, some people are 44 years, some are 22 years, some are 18 years. All different age groups. We tried this kit. This looks very effective, and we got positive results. And we are maintaining the data sheet of all the patients, their age, their symptoms, and all. We are maintaining the record, and majority of the patients are very, very happy. Actually, this kit containing. So I'm explaining first about the kit. First thing is this kit containing some herbal powder. You all might be knowing what it containing. So it containing, first thing is this lavang. This called cloves. This is an antiviral. Generally, if people got any viral fever, I recommend this close to put in the water, boil it and put it in a flask and take this. This powder containing first is lavang, cloves. The second ingredient is the black, all can you say black pepper, black pepper. In Telugu we call miryalu, in English it's called black pepper. So black pepper function is it reduces the cough, it reduces the throat inflammation. If somebody is having a phlegm, somebody is having a mucus formation, it also stops, the mucus formation also stops. The another third ingredient is we have done a lot of research on this, is called cinnamon. Cinnamon is anti-allergic. Somebody is having a sneezing, somebody is having a cold, somebody is having an allergy. I recommend all my patients to take cinnamon tea within 2 to 3 days. The allergy problem subsiding. Somebody is having sneezing. Even the children, I used to recommend my patients. Somebody is having a cold, take cinnamon powder, add with honey and take. So this cinnamon in this product, in this containing cinnamon also. Cinnamon is very, very useful. Even if you take single cinnamon with boiled water also is very, very effective. Cinnamon ante dalchini antaru in Telugulo, English lo cinnamon antaru. Other ingredients, every Indian knows this is a cardamom, ilachil antaru dinni. Every Indian knows this is cardamom. This also helps for the cold, cough and all. The other ingredient is a dry ginger. Endavettin allam antaru dinni. This is ginger. This is ginger. This is dry ginger. Okay. This containing plus another thing is ajwain. Ajwain is very, very good for the cough, very good for the digestion. So all the 5 ingredients, and we made a powder so that easy for them. So we are recommending add a pinch of this with the warm water, boil it and take, or you can add with the tea, or you can add with the coffee, or children doesn't want to take, add with little honey and take. Any way you can take. So it helps for the cold. All the questions I will tell last. Okay. Any questions, make a note. I will give last 10 minutes. Okay. So this is very, very effective. And this
Muted.
this product I'm giving to my patients since 20 years we are giving. So for this patients also I started in my kit. So this I'm giving a paper. You can also make the same formulation in the home also. This is very, very important of my kit. The another most important of my kit is this is a special drops. It will take care of the fever. It will take care of the body pain. It will take care of the headache in 24 hours. Many patients told Dr. Gupta, with this drops within 24 hours, I am feeling much better. The fever is better, body pains are better, cold is better, neck pain is better. This is very, very effective. We are recommending around 15 drops to mix with the normal water and take twice or thrice depending upon the intensity of the problem. Thus, this kit also containing another product called special drops. This is an antiviral drops. If you take these drops, 15 drops in the water, the virus load will be decreased. The virus cannot multiply. Suppose first thing the virus enters from the nose, then the throat, then the lungs. Immediately, as soon as you detect the virus, if you take this special drop too, the virus cannot go inside. Immediately, the virus cannot penetrate. Virus load will be reduced, and the patient will feel much comfortable after 24 hours, 48 hours. The patients are telling Dr. Gupta, after taking these drops, I'm feeling much better. The complications are not happening. Generally, this problem comes for the nose, then throat, then the lungs. So this is very effective. We are recommending twice or thrice a day, depending upon the virus load, depending upon the age, depending upon the stage of the problem. We are recommending this should be mixed with the water and take. And generally, what we have seen, more than around 120 patients we've seen in Hyderabad and different places. Many told after 24 hours the results are observed by the patients. The kit containing another, this is cough and throat. Generally, this problem, many are telling somebody is having a cough problem, somebody is having a throat problem. This is very effective. This we are recommending around 12 to 13 drops to be mixed with the water and take, depending upon the intensity. Some problem is more number of times, problem is less number of times. But we are keeping in the kit as a reserve medicine. Suppose somebody get the cough, they can take. Somebody is not having a cough, they need not take the cough drops, but we are keeping in a kit. Generally, this virus problem causing dryness of the throat, irritation of the throat, itching of the throat. So this drops, it will take care all the problems. Okay. Then this is kit containing one of the special drops done by research by me. This is antiviral drops. This should be kept in the steam. Whenever we are taking with the mission, whenever we are taking with the normal water also, we are recommending to put 4 drops of this medicine into the steam mission, and then take. The virus will be destroyed and you feel much better. The nose block is better, the cold is better, irritation of the nose is better, itching is better. This, suppose you need not put only in the mission, you can put in a normal vessel also, you can put it. This containing a dropper. This containing a dropper, you can put, either you can put it in a, we are giving a special steamer mission in my clinic, somebody want. So this also we are giving. So this is a special steamer mission we have got it. So this is a special steamer mission. So that directly the steam comes, we can take with the nose, we can take anywhere. We are recommending this drops to put it in the steamer mission and take. So directly this is the most important. Either you need not go with this mission, you can use with a normal vessel, you can use with the normal whatever the apparatus you have, we can take. We are recommending to put 4 drops in the morning, 4 drops in the evening. This is very effective. This is an antiviral drops to be taken steam. Even children can take, adults can take, all family can take. Okay. Then this kit containing homeopathic tablets. This labeled as morning. This is for the, as advised by the Ministry of Health, Government of India, they advise arsenicum album. This is arsenicum album. Then another medicine is afternoon. This is for the fever and body pains. Then this is for the general weakness and also tiredness also. This kit containing this 3 medicines, one in the afternoon, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the night. Then another medicine in this we are keeping, because of this virus, sometimes when they feel difficulty in breathing and cough. So we are recommending to keep this medicine in the kit, to keep in the home. Whenever suddenly in the night, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whenever they feel difficulty in breathing, that time they can take. Only they should keep in the home as this kit, only to keep in the home as a reserve. Suddenly night 12 o'clock, we feel high cough, severe cough, we feel breathlessness. That time we are recommending this containing a tablet. You can take 4 to 5 tablets twice or thrice every 10 minutes. Also, once you can take, at least they will get maximum relief they get it. And this kit containing another thing is, see, this COVID problem, sometimes people get stomach problems, loose motions, dysentery also. So they need not rush for the doctor. Suddenly night, we don't know what problems. Each patient is getting different symptoms. Somebody is having cold, somebody is having a loose motion, somebody is having a stomach pain, somebody is having a headache, somebody is having a bone pain. So in the kit, we're also keeping one reserve medicine for the loose motion. If you feel the stomach upset, loose motions are there, we take twice or thrice a day. Immediately within 10 minutes, the loose motions will control. Okay. Then another thing is, after the virus effect, we find many patients are draining out. Doctor, I'm feeling lot of weakness, tiredness. I'm not able to work. I'm not able to stand because of the virus. So we kept one medicine. After the course is over, after 5 days, this is called energy booster. This should be taken 5 tablets morning, evening, so that whatever we lost the energy because of the virus, it helps to get back your energy level. It gets back your strength. Then this kit containing another one of my research product. See, many are complaining, doctor, I'm getting headache. Many are getting headache, body pains, back pain. This kit containing one instant pain relieving roll-on. This is a roll-on. Wherever the pain is there, just apply and massage. The pain subsides in 2 minutes. My research, I tried so many patients. My research is, before you finish your coffee, the pain should go. We tried thousands of patients in India and abroad. Any pain, it goes. It may be muscle pain, it may be the bone pain, it may be the muscle It may be the migraine pain, just apply and massage, the pain relieves. So in the kit, we are giving a reserve medicine. If the person needs, they can use it. Okay. And the last thing, I will tell all the questions last. Okay. So everybody knows this. Can you guess what it is? This is ghee. This is called cow ghee. Cow ghee. Okay. This we are putting in the box as per the Ministry of Health, Government of India, Ayush Department. They are advising to put 2 drops of the ghee in the left, 2 drops in the right in the bedtime in the morning. The virus cannot enter in the nose. So my friends, all of you, somebody is having a problem, somebody is not having a problem, make it a point to put the ghee before going to the office, before going to the college, before going anywhere. You can put 2 drops here, 2 drops here, preferably in the morning, preferably in the night. It is giving tremendous results are there. I am practicing this ghee since 15 years. My patients, their feedback I am telling, with this they are telling my nose block is better within 24 hours. The snoring, కొంతమందికి గురక అంటారు, గురక, snoring, within a 5 days time with this ghee, the snoring tagutundi, guruka tagutundi, nose block tagutundi, cold tagutundi. And many patients told, doctor, my sleep is very good, very sound with this ghee. So you need not use our ghee. Whatever మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న ఘీనే వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఇది మేము కొంచెం మెడికేటెడ్ చేసి ఫార్ములేట్ చేసాము. మనం వేసే ముందులు వాటర్ లో పెట్టాలి. వాటర్ లో పెట్టి ఇది మెల్ట్ అవుతుంది. మెల్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత 2 drops ఇక్కడ, 2 drops ఇక్కడ, మార్నింగ్ అండ్ నైట్ రికమెండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్ వీ ఫైండ్ ట్రెమెండస్ రిజల్ట్స్ విత్ దిస్. ఒకవేళ సపోజ్ మీకు ఘీ ఇష్టం లేదనుకోండి, యూఆర్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ విత్ ద ఘీ, you can also put coconut oil, you can also put till oil, you can also put whatever you want, you can put it. Suppose even if you don't want to put the ghee, at least take a 2-3 drops of ghee, you can put around the nose, so the virus cannot go inside. The chances of getting the virus is minimized. It is very easy. I think all our South Indian houses, this is available. All our South Indian houses, this is available. Okay, and we are giving in this. We are giving one paper in this. Okay, we are giving one paper. How to use the kit. In emergencies, what to use, what are the problems, so that we straight away they can use. I cannot talk to the patients all the time. Emergency. My kids are going to Singapore. My kids are going to Coimbatore. Different. One patient, right? So it is going different places. So it is, we explain cell. And we provided 2-3 call centers also. We have 2-3 call centers. Any emergencies are there, any problem, they can also contact. I think it is very effective. You may get one doubt. Who can use this kit? This kit can be used for the suspected people. Example, I'm all right. Last 10 days back, I met one person. He's okay. Last time I met him, I went to his dinner. I went to his home for dinner, or I went to attend meeting. Now he got positive. So you are a suspect. So this kit can be used for the suspected people. This kit can be used for the positive people. This kit can be also used in normal people to improve the immunity. This is having multiple functions. This is having multiple functions are there. This is clear. And kit, we may get one doubt. Dr. Gupta, we are using already allopathic medicine for our diabetic, for blood pressure, some whatnot, all the problems. Along with any other medicines, you can also use this kit. Use some 10 minutes time gap between my medicines and allopathic medicines. 10 minutes time gap is enough. With my kit, there is no side effect, there is no reactions, there is no complications at all. What we find, the results generally after 150, around 140, 150 patients data, many people told after 24 hours, my symptoms are better. After the 5 days, the test has become negative. Other day, recently in Chaitanya Puri, one Mr. Agarwal is aged about 54. What happened? In their home, 3 are hospitalized. One is in Kim's hospital, one is different hospital. They also already three patients in the home are different hospital. They also advised him in different hospital. They contacted me night 11:30. So I told him, you try till tomorrow morning. If it finds better, you can try. So surprisingly, all the parameters are better. Now he continued the medicine. After once after the discharge of his family member, they also tried our medicine. So this kit containing no side effect, no reactions, no complications. All family can be used. I think it is clear. All the doubts I'll explain after the thing. Okay, this we are giving. Another thing in Hyderabad, what happened? The husband is having a positive, wife cannot travel in the night, cannot go. So what we are doing is we have made a facility of door delivery. If somebody calls our call center, within 1 hour we are giving a delivery at home. Within 1 hour we are giving delivery of this kit to their home, and we are explaining also. So this is very useful. Okay. So the most important thing I want to tell, see, now the corona means, don't everybody thinks only the fever, everybody thinks only the cough, everybody thinks only the cold. Now, according to the King George Hospital, London, some disturbance is there, please. See, according to the King George Hospital, London, the virus is coming, 6 types of viruses. First thing is flu with no fever. Somebody is having headache with loss of smell, muscle pains. This is one type. Other type is flu with the fever. See, people think only I got fever, subsided for only 1 day, I did not having a problem. There are 6 varieties. First variety is flu with the pain. Second is without pains. Third, most important thing is many patients, what we are saying is loss of taste, loss of smell. So for example, you got an office, somebody is coming to your office, you want to check with the thermometer. Instead of checking the thermometer, they give some jaggery, they give some sugar. If he says, no, I don't get the sugar taste, means he's a positive. It's a small, simple test. First symptom of this corona, loss of smell, loss of taste. Then all other symptoms are there. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, fifth stage. There are 6 stages of corona. Generally, up to 3 stages, we have treated so many patients. Where the 4th stage is where the lungs mucosa will be damaged, then automatically they need oxygen, they need a ventilator, they need complications are there. If you take the precautions initially, first to 3 stages, you may not need the further. Initially, as soon as you get the symptom, you see many are trying. Oh, I got little fever and no taste. They are trying for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days with some other medicine. But within 4 days, they are transmitting this virus to all the family members in the home. My suggestion, all your friends, if you find a small symptom of you're not getting a taste, you're not getting a smell, immediately you isolate with other family members. Not to meet them, you avoid them, no contacts and everything, so that at least other family members can be saved. Generally, what we see, people are not having little taste. Okay, I will try this medicine, I will try this medicine. No, this is small. See, they're not understanding. So I want all our friends to understand the first symptom of this is little throat pain, dryness, loss of smell, loss of taste, and slowly they get other complications. So if the person goes on 5th stage or 6th stage, then definitely you need a hospitalization. First, it comes to the nose. See, this virus comes from the nose. Then afterwards, then throat, it will stay for at least 48 hours. So from the nose also, it will stay for 24 hours. Strongly, I suggest all our friends to take steam inhalation morning, afternoon, night, so that 90% of your virus, you can kill your virus there itself. Even 4 times also good. They have done a lot of research in different countries. If you take steam more number of times, you can kill the virus. Then very easy also. So you can add any of your ingredients. You can add ginger. You can add tulsi. You can add any of you can add ajwain also. You can add anything is okay. So it will help the problem. So another most important thing is the goggling is important. Goggling, how to do? You can use a salt. You can use turmeric. You can use vinegar. You can use multiple. You should, because why we are telling the goggling? The virus stays in the throat. If you do goggling with the salt, goggling with the warm water, goggling with the vinegar, so everything will be nullified. So you are not giving an opportunity. The virus cannot go inside. So my friends, try to take care. Make sure that every day 3 times, 4 times steaming inhalation, 3 times, 4 times goggling, and take as much as possible the ginger water. This all helps to improve the immunity. Then another thing, this we are recommending what to take the drinking steam inhalation. Everybody knows this is a pan leaves, pan, okay? This is pan leaves, this is a ginger. Krishna, paspedam. Oh, this is a pan leaves, lemon. This is a pan leaves, this is a ginger, this is a turmeric, and use lemon with whole skin. Lemon with whole skin, put in water, boil it, and take steam inhalation. It works like an antiviral. Lemon, you should use whole skin, cut into the pieces, and the pan leaves you can use it. Then the ginger you can use it. Then the turmeric you can use it, and put it in boiled water and take steam inhalation. It is very effective. You can take once or twice you can take. It is very, very effective. But lemon you should use with the whole skin. Okay. Then this is the most important. Another, you can also use the plain steam also. Then how to test whether you're having a corona or not. Most important thing, you can use the pulse oximeter every time you should have the balloon. You know, everybody's having this balloon. The small test. So what we are doing is a simple test. You can check your lungs, whether my lungs are all right or not. A simple test I am doing. You people also can check in the home. This is, we have to blow at least 3 times like this. This is 1 time, okay? Then again. This is 2nd time, okay? Okay. So when you are able to do 3 times continuously, your lung capacity is good. You don't have any problem. Very easy. It's all clear now. So when you can blow it out. Okay. Thus you should do. This is a simple test. You can know your lung capacity. Okay. Then another thing, I wanted to show the lungs having 3 lobes: upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. Generally, in our routine time, we only use 1 lobe only. Other lobes will not function properly. I want to show some exercises. If you got possibilities are there, you can also do along with me. Along with me, if possible, you can do some lung exercises I'm going to teach. Okay? If possible, you can do wherever the possibilities are there. This is very, very important. Normal patients can do, positive patients can do, suspected patients can do, even anybody can do. This is helps to increase the lung capacity. It's also strengthening your lungs. Okay, first exercise. This is inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's all right. The simple exercise, another same exercise like this. Inhale. This helps to increase the lung capacity. The 2 exercises are shown. The 3rd exercise, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. This is a simple exercise. Okay. Then another exercise. This is the most important to improve the lung capacity. Very easy to do. I want to. Are you able to see now? We have to do like that. Okay. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. Initially, you do 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Slowly increase the time. Okay. Then somebody is having a shoulder pain. Somebody is having neck pain. Somebody is having this pain. So you did not do this exercise. You can do the same thing. You can do like that. Inhale, exhale. Basically, it helps to improve the lung capacity. Now, for this virus finally attacks the lungs. So, you have to protect the lungs with the diet, exercise, and food and the exercise. This is important. Okay. Then old people cannot do even this also. Old people cannot do. Even for them, I want to tell one small exercise they can do. Even simple old people after 60, 50 years, they're not able to do. You can do like that. Like that. Inhale, exhale. It's simple. First, you try this. If you're having any problem, do like this. If you're not able to do, you can simple, you can do all the exercises. Okay. The another small exercise I want to focus with the lungs today, because the virus affects the lungs. So everybody has to protect the lungs. That's a small exercise. This is advised by many doctors, many people. This is only the small exercise. You have to keep the hand like this, do like that, mouth open like that. Blow out. Like that. Okay, it's good. Then another exercise is Anulom Vilom. You all might be knowing this exercise. Mainly, I'm showing the simple, small exercises where everybody can do, everybody can join it like this, like that. Okay, inhale from the left, right. Okay, then coming to the Kapalabhati. You all know the Kapalabhati. Before going to Kapalabhati, do like that. Like that. After doing this is a Kapalabhati. Okay. Okay, this is all the small exercises we can do, and it's all clear. I think some more last exercise. See, basically, everybody, how you do brushing, how you eat breakfast, how you eat lunch. You should do twice a day, morning 20 minutes and evening 20 minutes, along with other exercises. We have to do the lung exercises. Then another exercise, small thing, you have to keep like this hands. Inhale, exhale. Then after 2 minutes, like this. You can see the chest expansion. Then otherwise this is. What happened? The air goes through the lungs. So it's all clear, I think. So you try to do the lung exercises, very, very effective. Another thing, this is called, I want to tell some immunity booster. Can you tell me what is its name? Apple, correct? Hello, apple. This is beetroot. Okay, this is correct. I'm recommending since long time this one. ABC juice. A, B, C. Apple, beetroot, carrot. You can take once a day. You can take around 100 ml, 150 ml. This helps to improve the body immunity. This is very, very effective. Anybody can take this apple, 2 carrots. Then you can use or beetroot. This is very, very effective. It improves the immunity of the body and it improves the hemoglobin also. It containing rich antioxidant. It is very, very effective. Anyone can take. Okay. Then everybody knows this garlic. For this problem, this is antiviral. You can use in the kitchen. You can use whatever the way you want. You can take. This is works in antiviral. Very, very, very effective is there. And this is containing. This is Telugulo avisal antarandi. English lo flax seeds antar. FLAX. దీన్ని గ్రైండింగ్ చేసి పౌడర్ మార్నింగ్ ఒక స్పూన్ ఈవినింగ్ ఒక స్పూన్ తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్క్ యాంటీ ఇన్ఫ్లమేటరీ. You can put it in chapati, you can put in wherever you want to put, you can put it. This is very, very effective. I strongly recommend whomever you're eating chapati, you can add 1 spoon of this. You can also add 1 spoon of this containing omega-3 and omega-6. దీని వల్ల మన బాడీలో ఇన్ఫ్లమేషన్ రానియదు. దిస్ ఇస్ మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఇంట్లో అలవాటు చేసుకోవాలి. దిస్ కాల్డ్ ఫ్లాక్స్ సీడ్స్. Very, 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 very effective. It is available in any supermarket. It is available. Okay. The next thing is for the people who ask them to tell the weakness. These are all dates. Okay. Dates is very, very good. You can take 2 dates, 3 dates. You can take. And this is This is called, this is natural calcium. Natural calcium. This is called makhana. Nuvul dabba. Nuvul. This is called natural calcium. This is not processed. This is a natural. This is called, English it is called lotus seeds. Lotus seeds. This is called makhana. It's very, very effective. You can take a small bowl. You can take in the morning. It helps to improve the body immunity, and very, very effective. And it serves like a, serves like a snack also. Then another thing, this I want everybody takes tea in the home. Okay, everybody takes tea in the home. So in the tea, instead of taking a normal tea, this is curry leaves. Curry leaves. It is good for blood pressure. It is good for everything. Instead of taking the normal tea, take this bunch of curry leaves, put in the water, boil it, and take. One day you can take curry leaves. One day you can take pollock. One day you can take coriander. Coriander is very good for the kidneys. It flushes the kidneys very good. So every day you can take like a tea. You can take. It helps to detox the body. One day you can take the mint, pudina. Just take a bunch of pudina, put it in the water, boil it, and take it. It's very, 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 very effective. Okay, and finally, we have developed one product. This is a immunity booster. This is immunity booster we developed. It containing all the seeds. Actually, we ఎందుకు develop చేసామంటే ఇది, మనం we eat watermelon, throw the seeds. We eat muskmelon, throw the seeds. We eat all the fruits, we throw the seeds. The seeds, when we have done a lot of research with so many doctors in India and abroad, the seeds containing lot of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. So all the 22 seeds together, we developed one product. It is called Dr. Nuts and Seeds. దీనిలో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, దీనిలో 22 products ఉంటాయండి. I'm showing all the products. This is watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds. This containing watermelon seeds. This containing goji berry. Goji berry, it is an anti-cancer. It contains. This is very, very effective. Everybody knows this. This is cashew nut, and this is called cranberries. This is called plums. This is called hazelnut. Hazelnut. We import from different countries. We make hazelnut. This is black raisin. This is very good for digestion, for constipation, and all. This is dry mango. This is also dry mango. This is called brazil nut. This is normal raisins. This is the most important item. This is called gummadikai ethanol. This is called pumpkin seeds. It's containing lot of nutrients, minerals, and all. It's very, very effective. So we are generally I recommend so many patients. It's containing natural minerals. So this also that this box containing this. This is another thing is sunflower seeds. Then flax seeds. Then this containing chia seeds. Then almonds. And this is called pecan nuts. This looks like a walnut, but this is pecan nuts. We import from different countries. So this is very effective. Everybody knows this is dry kajur, dry dates. Okay. Then this is pistachio. This is pineapple. So this box containing all the nuts and seeds, we are recommending to eat like this. This containing a spoon, just to eat, ready to eat. We can take 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the evening. It improves the body immunity. For normal patients also take, other patients also take. This is very, very, very effective also. And another thing, if possible, if the cow milk is available, take cow milk, add little turmeric in it. Little turmeric in it. Don't add sugar. You can add jaggery, or otherwise you can add dry dates. Dry dates are very, very effective. Whenever you are drinking milk, don't add sugar or jaggery. Dry dates, you put it, boil it, and take, so that very, very effective is that. Okay. So then I strongly recommend, Steve, and another thing, we are recommending one eucalyptus oil. We are recommending to all the people, put a drop of eucalyptus oil to the pillow. Eucalyptus oil to the pillow, and you can smell, so that whole room will be smell. So my friends, most important thing is whomever they feel doubt of loss of smell, loss of taste, you can recommend this kit. 100% it will work. It is very effective. But as early as the patient start this kit, it will be much better to save the thing. This kit we are also giving on eucalyptus oil. We are recommending to put a drop of this to the pillow. When you are sleeping, put a drop of this. The whole room will be good smell, good fragrance. It is a bronchodilator also. Nose block will be cleared. Much results are there. Okay. Now, the people who Mr. Murugesan sir want to tell some advice, some tips for you people, we can advise. Sir, Mr. Murugesan sir, you are in the line, and I will tell the last questions and answers last. Murugesan sir, Mr. Murugesan sir, you are in the line.
Uttagaru, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear. Mr. Murugesan is in line. Unmute chain. Murugesan sir, unmute chain, sir. Murugesan. Mr. Murugesan sir is there. You can unmute him, please. Please unmute Mr. Murugesan sir. You want?
Mr. Murugesan, you can unmute yourself. And I also welcome Drums Shivamani, renowned drums artist.
Is there, Acha. Mr. Shivamani sir, welcome. You have joined?
Sir has joined drums, sir.
Okay. Mr. Shivamani, welcome sir to our healthy lecture. Please, I want Shivamani sir to. Mr. Shivamani sir, welcome. Sir, unmute chain, Shivamani, unmute
yes,
chain.
sir, I am unmuting him. Just we want to
please.
listen him also.
Please. Shivamani sir, wait 1 minute.
Unmute. Welcome, sir.
Mr. Shivamani sir, welcome.
Yes, sir. Namaskaram, sir. Thank you.
So
Doctor,
nice, welcome.
how are you?
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining with me. I appreciate on behalf of my group to you, Mr. Shivamani sir.
Sir, I really, I don't know what the way you work and this COVID, this movement, lots of good service you're doing. And
Okay, sir.
I'm very proud of you and the entire team.
Thank you.
And for this, I need to just play my music for you all. This is a small box.
Please.
Sir, it is a privilege, sir.
It is a privilege for us, Mr. Shivamani sir. Privilege. Please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Okay. Ma da pi da guru devam da da pati sang kara taka dinna to taka dinna to taka dinna to. Hara Hara Mahadev.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Germany.
Thank you very much, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you very much. My pleasure, sir.
I appreciate this ceremony, sir. I appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sir.
Sir, you made our program quite jovial, sir.
Yeah.
Or made our program so jovial, sir. So nice of you, sir. So nice.
Sir, I'm really honored being here in this short moment. Dr. Sir is doing a wonderful job, and he has did some miracle in Rishikesh when I met him first time, and he put me to sleep because I'm not sleeping properly. The way he just touched me, and amazing. Dr. Sir, whatever support I will do. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank you.
bless
So nice.
everyone. Yes, sir.
So nice, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Sir.
Thank you, so nice.
Right.
Mr.
Bye-bye.
Murugeshan sir, come in the line. Thank you.
I'm a-
Mr. Murugeshan sir.
Yes, sir. I'm on the line.
Please, Murugeshan sir.
Yeah. I think you can.
Mr. Murugeshan sir is my friend. He's 72 years. He's very young and dynamic. He's my walking friend. Please go ahead, Murugeshan sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I will advise you, all of you, to drink warm water only, always, and never take cold water. I've been taking warm water for the past 10 years. Absolutely free from any disease. Now I tell you, Dr. Sahab, are you listening to me?
Yes. Quite. Go ahead.
Okay. Now I will tell you how to prepare herbal warm water. There are 4 ingredients which are generally available in everyone's kitchen. 1, cinnamon, that is patta. 2, clove, lavang. 3rd is cardamoms, ilachi. These 3 individually, you grind it, then mix it up, preserve it. Okay. Take 2 liters of water, boil it. When it is boiling, add 1 spoon of this mixture. Right. Add also 1 spoon of jeerakara. Then allow it to boil for 1 minute. Then cool it down, bring it to warm temperature, drinkable temperature, preserve in flask. Keep on drinking this water always. And I advise the adults to have 4 to 5 liters of water every day. You should consume 4 to 5 liters of water. Then children should consume 3 to 4 liters of water. Keep on drinking water, this warm water. Keep drinking this water. Keep all your disease away. Thank you very much so much. I'm thankful to Dr. Gupta ji. You have given a wonderful presentation. It is useful to everyone.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can share with somebody else, sir.
And one thing, and somebody want to share something so that any questions I can tell.
Gupta garu, can you hear me? This is Ajay.
Please, Ajay, sir. Ajay, please go ahead.
Hi, this is Ajay, and one of my friend has got COVID, and he already admitted in hospital on 10th of July. And as soon as we started English medicine and we came to know that Dr. Gupta sir medicine, homeopathic medicine, I immediately ordered, and we got the kit. And immediately, along with the English medicine, we have already started homeopathic medicine also for my friend. And after using this medicine for 14 days, he completely came out from all his ailments. Like, earlier, whatever the symptoms because of COVID he was having, everything is subsided, and he completely came out from the problems. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for your medicine.
Okay, so
even
nice.
I want to, refer your medicine to other people also.
Good, very good. That's right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your medicine. Yeah.
Appreciate it, sir.
Hello.
చెప్పండి.
నమస్కారం సార్.
నమస్తే, చెప్పండి.
ఏం లేదు, మాకు పిలిపించినందుకు చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, చెప్పండి సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఏం లేదు, మూడు రోజుల నుంచి మా మిసెస్ చాలా జ్వరం ఉంది.
ఓకే.
దమ్మా ఉండే,
ఓకే
దగ్గు ఉండే.
ఓకే
ఆమెకు మీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చిన
ఓకే
3 days లలో ఆమె క్యూర్ అయిపోయింది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ,
చాలా సంతోషము. చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు మీకు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
కానీ మీరు చాలా మా గురించి మేమైతే మీ దాంట్లో చాలా రుణం ఉన్నాము. ఎందుకంటే చాలా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను వాట్ ఎవర్ హ్యావ్ హెల్ప్ సార్ అంతే.
ఓకే, మా మమ్మీ మాట్లాడుతుంది, వినండి జరా.
సార్ వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఒకటి అల్లము బెల్లంతో ఒక ఫార్ములా చేసి చెప్పండి అమ్మా, చెప్పండి, అందరూ వింటారు, చెప్పండి, అందరు వినండి.
చాలా బాగుంటుంది ఐటమ్.
వెరీ 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 యూస్ఫుల్ ఐటమ్, ఈజీ టు చెప్పమ్మా.
నా పేరు డి సుశీలాబాయి తాడ్బన్.
చెప్పమ్మా.
ఇది అల్లం గురించి
చెప్పండి.
ఈ అల్లము మన హెల్త్ కు మురబ్బా చేసుకొని తినాలి. ఇది
చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎట్లా చేయాలో చెప్పండి, అందరు వింటారు.
ఈ అల్లంని శుభ్రం చేసుకొని 1/2 కిలో అల్లం,
చెప్పమ్మా.
1/2 కిలో అల్లము గ్రైండ్ చేసుకోవాలి మెత్తగా.
చెప్పండి.
మిక్సర్ లో చేసుకొని ఒక గిన్నెలో వేసి దాంట్లో 1.5 కిలో బెల్లం వేయాలి.
కనిపిస్తుందా? కరెక్ట్ స్టెప్స్ కనిపించాలి, దూరంకి వెళ్ళి బయట
చెప్పమ్మా, చెప్పమ్మా.
1.5 కిలో వేసినాక తర్వాత పొయ్యి మీద సన్న మంట మీద ఉడికియాలి దానికి.
ఓకే.
అది దగ్గర పడినాక దాంట్లో ఒక టీ స్పూన్ ఉప్పు వేయాలి అంతే.
ఈ ఐటమ్ చాలా బాగుందండి. నేను వాడుతున్నాను, రోజు వాడతాను, ప్రతిరోజు మార్నింగ్ అదే బెల్లము ప్లస్ జింజర్ రోజు వాడతాను. మీరు ఇంట్లో చేసుకోవచ్చు, వెరీ ఈజీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా, మీరు చెప్పినందుకు చాలా సంతోషము. అందరూ కూడా ట్రై చేయండి, వెరీ ఈజీ, చాలా ఈజీ.
పైత్యం వెళ్ళిపోతది. దాని గురించి హార్ట్ నరాలన్నీ విడివిడిగా మంచిగా ఉంటాయి. హార్ట్ మంచిగా ఉంటే మన తల చాలా పని ఇస్తుంది.
అవునమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, చాలా బాగుంది. Selvan Kanan, welcome. Tell me, Kanan, tell me.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations. Highly appreciate all that you're doing for all of us. And that's really great at this hour. And excellent information that you shared with everybody. And also all the participants, and also Shivamani sir, where, with his divine drum beats, probably that itself helps driving away the coronavirus. So
yes, exactly.
It's such divine drum beats, and everybody sharing their tips is really highly appreciated, and thanks a lot for this yeoman service. Thank you,
Kanan, thank you.
Dr. Anu,
చెప్పండి సార్.
హలో,
డొనాల్డ్ చెప్పండి. డొనాల్డ్ is tried for his friends, is tried for many positive cases, he helped them. Donald, come out and tell what is the truth.
Hi everyone, this is Donald Andi. Thanks Gupta garu for us for support and everything, providing the medicine. I am a corona positive person. My boss Ranjit Reddy garu referred Gupta garu.
ఇంకోటి వేరే స్టెప్ వేరే స్టెప్ వేరే చేయరా.
Can I speak?
Please go ahead, Donald, go ahead.
Gupta garu పంపించారు కిట్ ఒకటి, అది యూస్ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ కొలీగ్స్ అందరూ యూస్ చేసాం. 4 days రికవర్ అయ్యాం. మా మెయిన్ సిమ్టమ్స్ వచ్చి స్మెల్, సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్మెల్ అండ్ టేస్ట్ అన్నమాట. We don't have
loss of smell and loss of taste he got. Then first symptom was loss of smell and loss of taste. Go ahead, Donald.
I recovered in 3 days andi by using his kit anamata. It was very effective. My wife and I, we recovered in 3 days, and we got negative in 10-11 days negative report.
Thank you.
Thanks for your support and thanks for your medicine, sir. I will refer everyone.
Thank you.
Good.
Any other speaker want to talk? Please go ahead, please.
Doctor Garu, when the oxygen concentration, when it is coming to less than 90 or something, people say it is very dangerous. Hospitalization will be required. Am I right, sir? Are you able to hear me? Is it correct or only these medicines can cure and improve the oxygen concentration to 94, which is bare minimum required?
Exactly. Within 24 hours, they can see the result. Within 24 hours, they can see the result.
One need not go to hospital.
But they can try. Generally, see, we have tried till now more than 120 patients. We have tried. So what we find is they are getting good results. See, Mr. Donald other day, he got positive. His wife is positive. In his office, almost 20 people are positive.
Fine,
so somebody tried. He said, by first symptom was loss of smell, loss of taste. He told after third day, he get back his loss of smell, loss of taste. Now he recommended so many patients slowly. And another thing, the patient need not come to us. We are closing the clinic. We are directly delivery. The main components, we are not having much stock now. We are having only 500 kits till now. Main component we are getting from Germany. We are not making the medicine. The main component we are getting the Germany. Whatever the stock is there, we'll use. Thank you. Anybody want to tell?
Sir, Gupta sir. Good evening, sir. Jyoti.
చెప్పండమ్మా.
ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ అవ్వగానే మీరు ఐసోలేట్ అవ్వమనగానే మా హస్బెండ్ ఐసోలేట్ అయ్యారండి. 24 hours లో he will be able to smell and taste. As you said, recover అవ్వడానికి symptoms అన్ని Thank you so much for the support. Every time we are disturbing a lot, but still with very patiently you are answering us. Thank you so much, sir. You are this is not small a help for whole world. You are giving a very big.
No. Whatever is small, I am doing. So husband loss of taste, loss of smell, and after the medicine, I think 24 hours he got back the smell, correct?
Well, he got back the smell, but కొంచెం మోషన్స్ అవి ఉన్నాయి. అవి కూడా స్లోలీ తగ్గిపోయాయి సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
చెప్పమని చెప్పగానే మీరు ఐసోలేట్ అయిపోయారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello everybody. So much, sir.
Okay. Next, చెప్పండి సార్.
I would like to share one of my my husband himself, he was tested positive. But one of my relative, she recommended your name, and I've taken the medicine from you. Within 1 day, he cured very well, and he is doing very well with your medicines. I am really very happy, and I really appreciate your effort, and also the way you had given us the detailed prescription. Everything worked out so well that I am very happy. Even my husband is very happy. The person who was not taking the medicines regularly, he started taking it with the pills and the drops which you prescribed. Really, I am very thankful to you, sir. Not only
thank you, madam. Thank you.
Even I am taking it along with him, so that because I am the person
exactly.
who is taking him, so
helping him suspected.
I started taking the same type, regularly. Whatever I am giving him, I am also taking. In that way, both of us are very safe. And thank you very much, sir.
So nice, Amma. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Gupta garu.
చెప్పండి.
నేను డాక్టర్ ఎంఎన్ రావు అండి.
చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్ గో అహెడ్.
డాక్టర్ ఎంఎన్ రావు.
సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. చెప్పండి సార్, గో అహెడ్.
డాక్టర్ గారికి నాకు సుమారు more than 20 years అనుబంధం ఉందండి. ఆయన సలహా మీద కోవిడ్ ప్రివెన్షన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ based on the homeopathy, I started in my home and also in my entire organization. For the last 2 weeks, it is going on, and I am seeing I'm seeing prevention program. It is not a treatment program. I am really very happy for the suggestions and for the program and for the entire plan what he has suggested to us. And I recommend the same thing to all individual families. It's basically, it is consisting of Arsenica alba usage first 3 days in first week, and followed by second, third, and fourth week 2 days. 5 pills taking in the morning, every morning on empty stomach, and supported by kashayam, turmeric, adrak, and also turmeric, adrak, and neem. So this is the kashayam what we are taking. Of course, we have supported this with the vitamins also, vitamin D3 once in a week, and vitamin C every day, and also vitamin.
Hello, this is Ratan Kalwandi. I am actually based from in the UK. So one of my relatives had actually got few of the symptoms. So we actually approached Dr. Gupta, and he was very kind enough to basically suggest us the kit, and we have effectively used the kit for the patient to basically get over the symptoms. All I would recommend people is, it's not about what you are taking it or not. It's all about helping others in this time of the pandemic. And I really appreciate Dr. Gupta to basically, he's doing his bit, but are we all doing our bit to help the society? I strongly feel that you should basically spread the kit or spread the medicine to, or gift the medicine. Literally, I would say I've gifted more than 4 people till date. They're extremely.
Thank you.
It is not about you have to do something to the pandemic. It's not about only okay, I'm safe, I'm good. It's not that. In this pandemic, actually creates a real good bond in the society, real good bond within our families. So it's vitally important that you basically take the ownership of helping each other and making sure that you basically deliver the required medicine. And especially, I would say, if you have any enemies, I think you should give them, because this is the time you can make an enemy as a friend. Thank you, Gupta. It's really nice of you.
Thank you. He has gifted so many kids to his friends, well-wishers and all. Thank you, Mr. Ratan. Thank you.
Dr. Gupta garu.
చెప్పండి సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. యూ హావ్ టేకెన్ వెరీ మచ్ ఎఫర్ట్. మీ మెడిసిన్ నేను చాలా మందికి రికమెండ్ చేశాను. వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మంచిగా రికవర్ అయ్యి హెల్తీగా ఉన్నారు. ఈవెన్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీ వీఆర్ ఆల్ టేకింగ్ ద ప్రివెంటివ్ మెడిసిన్స్. టిల్ డేట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ హెల్తీ. We thank you very much for your support in all respects. Not only giving medicine, but you are encouraging the patients. You are improving their immunity everywhere. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. ఈ మంచి కార్యక్రమం చేసిన అప్పారావు గారికి మరియు మా గవర్నర్ గారికి కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఐఎమ్ రాజేందర్ వంకమామిడి.
Any questions are there? Anybody want to tell, any share, anyone friends?
Dr. garu, I think I got a point for you. మీరు శ్రీనివాస్ గుప్తా గారు, యు ఆర్ మేడ్ ఏ వెరీ ఎక్సలెంట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్. చాలా మంది మిమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ చేయదలుచుకున్నారు. Kindly share your telephone number, sir, your mobile number also to all of them.
This is our call center.
Yes, sir. It is very much required, sir.
This is a call center number. They can call the call center.
దగ్గరకు పెట్టండి సార్, కనిపిస్తలేదు.
Okay, these all are call center numbers. They work morning 8 o'clock.
But clear గా లేదు సార్, కొంచెం ముందు చూపించండి.
ఇంకా ముందు.
Okay.
Yes. Right. Okay.
This is our call center number. They can give door delivery. Whomever the medicine they want, we are giving directly door delivery.
What about your nuts? Kuda sell chestara meer avi?
అవునండి, నట్స్ కూడా మేము డోర్ డెలివరీ ఇస్తాము. we give the nuts also door delivery ఇస్తాం మేము. Somebody wants nuts, we can give door delivery also. Okay, clear?
Hello.
చెప్పండి. Any questions you have?
Sir, what is the cost and how
this cost, we are charging 3,000 rupees per kit. This kit containing 12 med, 3,000 rupees is the kit charges. It containing German drops are there. All are there. 3,000 rupees we are giving a door delivery. We are giving this kit cost because main component we are importing from the Germany. Okay.
Sir, what about outside Hyderabad people?
We are sending by courier. 1 minute. Somebody want to talk. Padmanabhi madam, are you in the line?
Hello.
1 minute. Please, somebody who is there?
Dr. Patil here.
Please, sir, tell me. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell, sir.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell me, sir.
Sir, very nice presentation, and the services you are giving not only to the human being. As I'm working in the poultry, I'm using your medicine for last 2 years.
Okay.
I'm getting very excellent results.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And with your support, I could supply some Alcinicum album to my native, a small village.
Okay.
So we are safe there. And
thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, any questions are there?
Sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
it was very
myself
clear
Vidyasagar,
message, you have given. Your presentation was very informative.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Vidyasagar from Sangareddy.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ కరోనా దానికి వచ్చినాక కూడా ఈ మెడిసిన్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చిన వారికి మెడిసిన్ తీసుకొని తగ్గినాక మళ్ళీ వారికి రిపీట్ గా వస్తుందా? అగైన్ మళ్ళా
అదే కిట్ ఏంటంటే 3 పర్పస్లు అండి. వన్ ఈజ్ సస్పెక్టెడ్ పేషెంట్స్ కెన్ టెల్, పాజిటివ్ పేషెంట్స్ కెన్ టెల్. బేసికలీ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ మెడిసిన్ అండి. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ ఇంప్రూవ్ ద ఇమ్యూనిటీ, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద కరోనా. ఇట్ ఆల్సో టేక్ కేర్ సో మెనీ వైరసెస్. మన బాడీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, మన బాడీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటే మనకు వైరస్ రాదు. బేసికలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ కరోనా మెడిసిన్ కాదు ఇది. బేసికలీ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ ద బాడీ ఇమ్యూనిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. ఇమ్యూనిటీ పెరగడం వల్ల నాట్ ఓన్లీ కరోనా విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీ అదర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆల్సో. బేసికలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఇమ్యూనిటీ బూస్టర్. ఓకే.
నాకు ఒక విషయం కావాలి సార్, ఏంటంటే ఒకసారి వచ్చి అటాక్ అయినాక వారికి మళ్ళీ వస్తుందా? మెడిసిన్ కాదు, ఈ మెడిసిన్ కాదు కానీ ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా?
If the immunity is down, we'll get it. Immunity down unte possibilities are there. మీరు long exercise చేయండి, you eat good food, you eat healthy food, you eat alkaline food, you take nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, vitamin C తీసుకోండి, zinc తీసుకోండి, and exposed to sun every day 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And అన్నిటికన్నా ఇంపార్టెంట్ నువ్వులు తినాలండి. అందరు నువ్వులు మర్చిపోయాను. నువ్వుల లడ్డు గాని నువ్వులు గాని ప్రతిరోజు తీసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. రైట్.
డాక్టర్ గారు నమస్కారం సార్. ఎందుకంటే మీరే కాకుండా మీ ద్వారా లబ్ధి పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో పేషెంట్స్ వారితో మాకు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఇప్పించారు. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. ఇటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసిన జ్ఞాని అప్పారావు గారికి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. ఎందుకంటే ఈ విషయం ఇప్పుడు నడుస్తున్న ప్రభావం చాలా దీని మీద ఉంది కనుక ఈ మనకు విత్ ఎవిడెన్స్ లోపల మనకు కొంతమంది డాక్టర్సే, నేను ఇందులో చూశాను పేర్లు, కొంతమంది డాక్టర్లే చెప్తున్నారు ఇట్లా మంచిగా ఉంది అని చెప్పి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మేము కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నంబర్లు ఇచ్చారు, ఈ నంబర్ కి మేము కాల్ చేసి చెప్తాము. సో మేము అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మేము డెలివరీ తీసుకుంటాం సార్.
హైదరాబాద్ మొత్తం విత్ ఇన్ 1 hour లో we are giving delivery.
We are from 60 kilometers from Hyderabad.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
I just want to add something to the entire discussion. The thing is, based on the research done by the US and the UK scientists, there is a very good chance that if you're not careful, within 3 months, the number of antibodies are going to drop, and there's a good chance that you may get the virus once again. So it's very important, because of the medicine is homeopathic, so you can continue the medicine without having any side effects.
No side effects.
Even somebody is having come out of the coronavirus, I would strongly suggest them to take so that you are very, very
మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు.
Thank you అండి. Anybody want to tell anything?
Yeah, sir. Dr. Garu, thank you very much for your fantastic and very excellent presentation. Very practical, very useful to all of us. Before to recognize the presence of our very senior Vasavans, Sri Master Upendra Garu is here. Our then Vankamambad Rajendra Garu. Then finally our district governor, who has always supported me. Whatever I request him, he is always there, ready to support me. I think we are the senior, very senior Vasavans, not only in our district but Vasav International. I really thank all of them. I think on behalf of our Vasav Secunderabad couples. I think over to President, if our
any doubts are there.
Hello, Dr. Sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, this is Sudarshan, morning walk person. చూస్తున్నా సార్ మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా చక్కటి కార్యక్రమం చేశారు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
చాలా we learn lot.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any questions, sir?
Doctor garu,
any questions? Okay.
ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఈ కోవిడ్ టైంలో జనాలు హాస్పిటల్స్కి వెళ్ళి లక్షలు ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నారు. మీరు సింపుల్ గా ఇంట్లో ఉన్న దొరుకుతున్న పదార్థాలతో దాన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా వాడుకుని చేసుకోవడం మూలంగా ఈ హాస్పిటల్స్ తిరగటం, ఇంత ఖర్చులు పెడతాం, ఇంత బాధలు పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండా మాక్సిమం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న మన దొరుకుతున్న సామాన్లతోనే మనం ఈ డిసీజ్ తగ్గించుకోవచ్చని, డిసీజ్ ని కంప్లీట్ గా స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చని మీరు చెప్పారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ బూస్ట్. ఎందుకంటే ఇందులో మాది కపుల్స్ లో మోస్ట్లీ లేడీస్ కూడా అందరూ ఉన్నారు. సో దే ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫాలోయింగ్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాక్టీసెస్. సో సర్టన్లీ మా అందరికి ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరికి కూడా హస్బెండ్ వైఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్ అందరికి అవుతుంది.
Everybody can take.